Hi you guys. This is the Desmos how-to. The way you get to Desmos, I linked it here in the proportional relationships. It's easier if you extend it, then it'll sign in for you with Google. Once you get there, it looks like this. You will answer the questions. We learned about this in 5.4 for a proportion. Helpful hint, it's a unit rate. This is what we did on that warm-up. So that technique that we used on 5.4. And this is what I wanted to go over with you. First of all, if you hit the 3 dots up here in the side and you make it smaller, it's easier to see all of your pieces. But you will notice that there's a card that says proportional and non-proportional. What you are doing is trying to see if your if it's proportional or not. So is the table proportional? Is are the two fractions proportional? What this means is you cross multiply. So 17 times 9 gives me 153. So when I cross multiplied, I got 153. That means when I multiply 8 times 7, if it's not 153, then it's not proportional. We know that 8 times 7 is not 153. 8 times 7 is 56. So then what I do is I drag it up and I highlight over not proportional, and then it will count it as not proportional. So again, you do 7 times 48, so I cross multiply. I get 336. So that means I need to multiply 6 times 52. If you get the same thing, it is proportional. If you do not, it is not proportional. For a table, you divide your y divided by x. So, and you're going to see if it's the same the whole way down. For example, -8 divided by -2, that's +4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. -16 divided by -4 is +4. So when I divided these, I got +4 for every answer, which means it is proportional. So that's how you do your third slide. Your fourth slide, you need to do some matching. So the easiest thing to do is start with your table. And these are all proportional. I've already told you guys that. And so what you're doing is just matching them. So you're going to match an equation with a graph with a table with a word problem. So you have 4 cards each. So, like I said, if you zoom out, you can see more of your cards all at once. But what I would do is start with your tables. So 20 divided by 1 is 20. And so I need to find that equation. So that's going to be y equals 20x. So I'm going to match that together. Now I'm going to look for the word problem that when I divide, I get 20. So in this case, it says that the Thetford family drove 200 miles and using 10 gallons of gas. So 200 divided by 10 gives me 20. So that means that this also matches up. Then when I do my y over my x, my y is 20, my x was 1, so that means that this also matches. So you're just trying to match your equation with your word problem with your table. And that's all you have to do for that section. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 more that you'll have to match on your own.